All right, what do you say we reset your routine? We've got the ultimate finds here as summer winds down. Our Shop Today editors have narrowed down the top products to help you get back on your daily schedule. Adrianna Brach is Shop Today's editorial director. Don't forget, you can find all the picks, scan our QR code at the bottom of your screen. Adrianna, it feels like fall here, 60s in New York. So this is kind of fitting where we're beginning with these gorgeous sweaters.
Yeah, so get back into your routine. Yeah. We all had a great summer, but fall's right around the corner, and it's time to think about fall clothing. So this is the polo style knit sweater, which I feel like is your vibe. It kind of matches what you're wearing today.
Yes.
And this is from Gap, and the great thing right now is that this is originally $80. It's on sale for $34.99.
Wow.
And they're having a site-wide sale, 30% off if you spend $99 or more on fall styles that are new. So get your sweaters now so you don't have FOMO later in the season because you didn't get them.
And these are the perfect weight, and the Gap, the quality's so good.
Yes,
you know it's going to last.
100% cotton, machine washable. It's got that slouchy, oversized fit.
I love it.
It's perfect.
Okay, I feel like you're singing my song here because of all the sneakers I've ever tried, Asics are the ones that, like, don't make my knees hurt. I can run. I can do all the fun things.
Yes, you are preaching to the choir. I, once upon a time, ran a half marathon, and I trained in Asics. Swear by them. I know. It was a while ago. But what's really good is we talked to podiatrists about Asics. They recommend them because they're lightweight.
Yes.
And even if you're not a runner, if you're a walker, or you just stand on your feet a lot at work or just all day, these are great for you. They're going to give you support. Like I said, they're lightweight. They come in half sizes, wide sizes, and they're under $55. And did you know you should be replacing your sneakers every 8 months?
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay.
Now's a good time to sort of check in.
And that's cute too.
It's
a neutral,
colors.
but really cute.
Exactly.
All right, let's get to beauty.
Okay, when you're thinking about your beauty routine, French beauty is all the rage right now after the games. We are obsessed and cannot get enough. This is from Embryolisse. This is a makeup primer.
Okay.
It's a moisturizer. So I was a beauty editor back in the day, and I discovered this at Fashion Week because all the makeup artists use it.
So you put it on
to prep people's skin before makeup. It's moisturizing.
And it's a primer, so your makeup slides on.
Exactly. Your makeup goes on so much better, but you can also use it as a day cream or a night cream. I used it today for my makeup, so it's really good.
You always have creamy makeup. It's good. Whatever you're doing is the thing.
I take my products seriously.
Blake Lively's got a line.
She's got a beauty line. So she actually spent the past 7 years developing Blake Brown, which is her new hair care line, exclusively available at Target. It smells really great.
Really
it's made
good.
With sandalwood and vanilla, so it's got this really high-end smell. But everything is under $25, and the team has been really giving it high praise. And we see a lot of beauty products come in through our office. The strengthening mask is incredible.
Strengthening mask?
I've been skipping conditioner and using it instead, and also it's replaced my leave-in conditioner. So you can replace 2 products with one with that mask.
Let's get organized, because all of our stuff's a mess.
Let's get organized. Those messy bottomless makeup bags, those messy countertops. This little swivel organizer is genius.
Yes.
And it's only $9.99. So this is a great way to refresh your makeup routine, get it organized. I also really like this because when you see all the products that you have, you're actually going to use them. So this is an easy way to organize. Another good one, this over-the-door organizer for your hair tools.
That's smart.
You don't want to throw them into the drawers. You don't want to throw them into the cabinets. They can be bulky and awkward to store. So this little guy keeps them nice, neat,
or
and
you can
organized.
even put that over a small cabinet so it's in there. Love it. Love it. Adrianna, thank you so much. And Adrianna's going to be back again, of course, in our 3rd hour. And remember, to start shopping, just scan the QR code, head to today.com/shop. And Today does earn a commission from purchases through our links.